Hey everyone, welcome back again to H.S.P in World of Chemistry. Now, today, how this stick will change your life, will give you many marks in your chemistry, right? Sir, is it really possible? You're talking like a magician. Yes. If you're fighting, then this single stick can do work of number of sticks if you rotate 360 degree, but that is not easy. Rotation 360. But here, how to use in your physical chemistry, that definitely I will let you know. Whether on the graph this stick will lie like this, or the stick will lie like this, or the stick will lie like this, or the stick will go like this, or the stick will go from here. That if you're feeling really, if you're not able to visualize, then your Baba H.S.P is going to help you today, right? Then see how easily the questions will get solved. This lecture, this video is only for those students, those who are really not able to feel they are not getting the feel of graphical representation. Whenever the graph is coming, they are thinking, oh my God, whether I'll be able to do it or not. Okay, so this lecture is for those students, those who really want to get the feel. Okay, only for those students, not for everyone. Now let's get started. Okay, now let's see kids. If I say that you want to gain knowledge from your Baba H.S.P, you want to gain knowledge from your Baba H.S.P, then two possibilities are there. Either to use 20 or 0. No, that's not possible. Okay, you are having some knowledge. Okay, if I say you are having whatever the knowledge, if I say that somebody is having this much of knowledge, that's your own knowledge. If I say you are having this much green color, can you see? This much is your own knowledge. So I will say already you are having this much of knowledge. Already you are equipped with this much of knowledge, right? Now, whenever you are going to study with Baba H.S.P, then what Baba H.S.P is going to do, I will tell you. But whatever the knowledge you are having, suppose Ramu is having this much of knowledge, Shamu can have more knowledge. Let me tell you, Shamu can have this much of knowledge. Shamu will say, no, my knowledge is more than Ramu. My knowledge is this much. Oh, Geeta will come. Geeta will say, no, sir, I'm having only little bit of knowledge. Okay, Geeta is having, suppose, only this much of knowledge. Only this much of knowledge. Geeta is having only this much of knowledge. Now Alia will come. Where is Champa? Now Champa will come. Champa will say, I'm not having any knowledge. I'm 0. So Champa will say that I am 0. Okay, Champa, don't worry. If you are 0, then also no problem. That means Champa is not having any knowledge, prior knowledge. Champa is 0, right? So these are the possibilities. So I will say this is for a particular person is constant value. For a particular reaction, this is a constant value. That depends on the type of reaction, that depends on the type of person. Alia can have her own knowledge, constant knowledge. Champa can have on constant knowledge or 0 knowledge. Ramu, Shamu, Changu, Mangu, different type of students will have their different constant value, that is their knowledge. So let's go back. If I say this person was having this much of knowledge, that was constant for that person, so I will say this is constant. Already you are having this much of knowledge, that is constant, represented by letter generally C. Now once Baba starts teaching you, you appeared in front of this channel and you start studying like this lecture, definitely you will get some more knowledge. Now some more knowledge, that depends whatever Baba is teaching, now how much knowledge which person is getting, that will depends on the mind, the revision, the active mind. Some must be getting this knowledge like this, in this way. Baba is teaching up to here, you are getting this much knowledge. Some must be getting this much, some must be getting this much, some must be getting this much. The one who is watching it properly at the same distance, suppose if I am teaching from here to here, I have reached over here, someone is getting only this much, y value is only this much, someone's y value is this much, someone's y value is this much, someone's y value is this much. So it all depends that with what mind you people are getting that knowledge, and that mind is known as slope. I will tell you what is the mind. So I will say that if I draw an arrow and if I say that, for example, Ramu has got this much knowledge. So as Baba X is teaching, so your value is increasing like this. So your value is increasing more and I'm teaching less. That can happen. I'm teaching less, your knowledge is increasing more. That means actively you are studying. So how to put in the equation? Now see how to write down this in the equation, that the value of y is equal to m. M is a mind means slope. M times the value of x plus whatever the value that particular person was already having. Y is equal to mx plus c. C is the constant value which already you were having. M is the mind, by what you have grasped that knowledge that some person is getting whatever Baba is teaching x times. Suppose Baba is teaching 2 times, 2 point. I'm writing 2 point over here. Somebody is getting, for example, y is equal to, with this is value of x 2, and somebody is having this much of knowledge, constant value. For example, if I say 50, Champa 50. Now somebody is applying 1 times mind, somebody can apply 2 times mind, somebody can apply 3 times time. So it all depends whatever the brain you are applying. And in chemistry or in physics, this is m is known as the slope. M is the slope, that is equal to 10 theta, the angle, right? The angle. Now my dear students, I hope you got it. So this is straight line equation, y is equal to mx plus c. This is constant value, you can call it intercept, right? And this is increasing. Now at the same time, suppose you are having this much of value, the same person was having this much of value, but that student has started studying with a teacher who was not having knowledge, and then also that teacher was teaching. So your value will keep on decreasing. Whatever the value you were having, whatever you were knowing, that will keep on decreasing, the slope will come down. That means your knowledge will keep on decreasing, and it will go like this, getting decreased. The value of y is getting decreased. So I would like to say that y is equal to minus m times x plus c. Whatever the value of constant was there, negative mood, in negative, your value is getting negative. So slope is negative. That means the value of y is continuously decreasing. As that teacher is teaching, whatever the teacher is teaching for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, your value will keep on decreasing, your brain will keep on decreasing. That's why I'm telling you, never study with a wrong teacher, never study with a wrong book, right? Now if I say that, suppose one person was not having any knowledge, no knowledge, and teacher started teaching with positive approach, so its value will keep on increasing like this. It can go like this, or the graph can go like this. It all depends whatever is the slope. Here the slope is more, here the slope is less. That teacher is teaching, this value's y value increased. See, let me tell you what I'm telling you. Suppose two students were having zero knowledge and teacher taught it up to here. Now see, one kid has got this much of knowledge and the another kid has got this much of knowledge. The value of y is more. That means this slope is more and this slope is less. Less slope, more slope. Less slope, more slope. Slope you can understand whenever you are bicycling. So you see the road on mountains. This road easily you can cross. This road is very tough, very tough. Even I think vehicle will not be able to go like this. Okay, so very steep. More slope, steepness is more. Are you getting my point? I hope you got it. So now let me write down for this, y is equal to m times x. The value of your value was 0, so it will start from the origin. So right now we got three values. Y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to minus mx plus c. Here y was equal to minus mx plus c. You can see y is equal to minus mx plus c or y is equal to mx plus c. Right? These three equations are very important. Now let's solve the questions from your NCERT. NCERT, if you see Arrhenius equation, k is equal to a raised to power minus ea upon k is equal to a raised to power minus ea upon rt. If you take log k is equal to log a minus ea upon 2.303 rt. Now just check the value of log k. The value of log k, right? And this log a is constant. So try to understand. This is y. This is constant. Now EA is constant. This is constant. R is constant. Only who is changing? 1 upon t is getting changed. So can I say log k is equal to y? Now can I rewrite minus this much is slope. Slope is what? Minus EA upon 2.303. R is slope. This is your slope, negative slope, and to 1 by t, this is what? This is what? mx. So this is x and that is c. So can I write y is equal to minus mx plus c. C is log a. So log a is your value, this much already the value you are having, and now m, this is m slope and x is 1 by t. So 1 by t is on x-axis and this is log k and slope is minus e upon 2.303r, minus e upon 2.303r, and the intercept from here, this line is going like this. So stick has told you negative slope. That means you are coming from up to downside, from hill to downside. No need to paddle the cycle. Cycle will go, cycle will move very speedily because slope is very high. If you're not taking precaution, accident, most probable accident is going to happen. Very steep, very steep. Now see, another one. This was from electrochemistry. Now you see this is from, once again, electrochemistry, right? No, that was from chemical kinetics. That was from chemical kinetics. This is from electrochemistry. Leave this because its graph is not possible, but see strong electrolyte. If you see this value is constant. This is your intercept, that is C. This is your C value, the constant value, and you see molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is Y. This is your Y. And now see, as you go like this, the square root of C is getting increased. So square root of C is getting increased. This is coming down. So that means what you're getting from here, if I write down y is equal to, now see the stick is coming down, the negative slope, minus mx plus c. C is this. So in place of C, I will write down molar conductivity at zero concentration, or I can write at infinite dilution. Both are correct. You can write this or you can write this one. So plus sign minus mx plus c. This is your c. Y is equal to molar conductivity, the value of molar conductivity, and the square root c is the x. In place of x, I will write down square root c, and the slope is minus m. That value depends on the type of electrolyte. So I can write like this minus slope square root of c plus molar conductivity at zero concentration or infinite dilution. This formula you must have studied in this way. You must have seen in your NCERT. Molar conductivity at any concentration is equal to molar conductivity at infinite dilution minus something constant is written over there. Constant, some value of constant must be written over there. That is the slope, depends on the type of, and square root of c. That is the formula, right? Now let's see another one. This is from electrochemistry. If I write down Nernst equation, my dear students, Nernst equation, I am going to write down which equation? Nernst equation. See, the Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log of whatever the concentration is written on the product side. So product concentration upon reactant concentration. So see, write down, compare the negative slope, that stick will come down from up to down. So this is constant value, this is constant value. So I will write down y is equal to c minus, now here what is constant? This value is constant, so I will write down this is slope, and these value can change, these value can change, these are variables. So I will write down these are x. As you change the value of x, the value of y will get changed. Is it clear? Is it clear? Are you getting my point? So this is the graph, and this is the constant value. This is E cell, and this is E naught cell. E naught cell value is fixed. Now you got it. Now next, intercept slope, Arrhenius equation. This too already we have discussed, already we have done it. Okay, now see another one. So see, these are the graph from Arrhenius equation. What's your answer? Already we have solved, so you can clearly see what should be the correct answer. Are you getting my point? What is the correct answer? See, log k t, wrong. Log k 1 by t, wrong. Now k, wrong. Log k 1 by t is right. Now next, if you see this equation already we have done, that is Boltzmann factor log k is equal to log a. Already you know the slope, already we have discussed. Now you see this is from chemical kinetics. This is from chemical kinetics. Are you ready to do it? Let's see, everyone. Now they can also ask this is for first order or zero order. Definitely it is for first order, because LNR, we know that after doing the chemical kinetics derivation for the first order, Ln, the starting concentration, Ln, or we can say the left concentration at time t, Ln A at time t is equal to Ln A naught initially present minus kt. Now compare this with your y is equal to minus mx plus c. So I will write here, this is the value of y, how much is left, how much was present in the starting. This is the constant value, so I will write down minus kt and plus ln a naught. So this value is constant, so I will say this is the c value is constant value, so I will say c. So y is equal to minus k, this is the slope, minus k, it's the slope, my dear students. How fast, and t is the value of x, and plus this is the constant value c. So I will say y is equal to minus m, this is minus m, this is x, and that is C, the intercept. So you have decoded it, and you see ln r, you can also write ln r, the concentration left at time t, ln, and the starting what amount of concentration was present minus kt. You can also write it like this. So ln r, the value of y, so it was started from here. This is the constant value. You can see in the starting, you must have seen this is the constant value. I would like to say it is the intercept. And as the time is increasing, the concentration left will keep on decreasing. Suppose you were having 3 pizzas in your plate that were constant. 3 pizzas were constant. Once you started eating, then in the plate, pizza will increase or decrease. Definitely it will keep on decreasing, and it depends how fast somebody is eating. Some Khaliwali is eating very speedily, it will decrease. Champa, very smart, lean and thin, she is eating, so she will take too much time, the slope will be less. But for everybody, the number of pizzas, the amount of pizzas left in the plate will keep on decreasing with the time, This is the negative slope. Now same reaction if you see over here, why it's starting from here, just try to understand. Log r upon r naught upon r, just try to keep it log means ln, you have changes to log. So let's change into apply ln r. If I put it on that side, it will go negative. So what will it become? The equation will change like this: ln r at time t minus ln r naught. So I can write down ln, let's take common, r naught initial concentration is equal to minus kt. Now my dear students, we know that ln x is equal to 2.303 log x. So the equation will become 2.303 log base 10 r at time t upon r naught initial concentration is equal to minus kt. Now just try to understand what they have written. This 2.303 will go on downside, so this will be remaining log r naught. So they have kept it on that side. So how it will do? That will become plus, and that will become minus. If I shift this will go up, this will come down. The negative sign will come, negative here, negative there, negative will cancel out, right? So can I write it like this: 2.303 log base 10 r naught initial concentration upon r concentration at time t, that will become kt, and this will go that side. So I will get log r naught concentration upon r concentration at time t is equal to kt upon 2.303. Now we can understand this value is constant k 2.303, and this is x, and this is your what? This is your, definitely this value is your y. So the value of y is equal to, this is slope m, and that t is your x. The value of t is x. So y is equal to mx plus c. There is no c. C value is not, that's vanished. I have already told you. So the graph will start from 0. So y is this. On the base of y, they have written log r naught upon r, and the value of slope you can see k upon 2.303, and your x is time. So let's see, any other slide is left? No slide is left. So this was all about the whole chemistry with single stick, the magical stick. We have solved each and everything. Really, if you have enjoyed it, do let me know. And if, my dear students, already you are knowing this, not the stick one, simple maths, but maths, definitely it's very scary thing for number of people. So my dear students, try to just visualize it. Once the fear has gone, you can really do everything. Your selection will be there if there is no fear. Baba is here, so no fear. Bye bye, take care. And do let me know in the comment section.